Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I'm Hanifah. I'm from Yogyakarta State University. Today, I want presentation about my research journal. The title is Civic Culture Analysis of Mawarung Culture of Banjar Community. Without any further ado, for the first introduction. Mawarung is defined as an activity of a community or people to have breakfast or meal at a stall. Mawarung itself is one of the hereditary cultures owned by the Banjar people, which is usually done in the morning. The culture of Mawarung is considered to be suitable for the character of the Banjar people who are known to like to chat over a cup of tea or kave. The phenomenon of many stalls that open during the morning and close during the day is proof that the culture of Mawarung still exists in the Banjar community, especially in Hulu Sungai Selatan region. This is one of the culture that are unique and different from other regions, which of course must be maintained and preserved. Research focus is analysis civic culture that exists in the culture of Mawarung Banjar people and identify the indicators of civic culture in the culture of Mawarung Banjar people. For the second is methodology. This research apply a qualitative approach. This research took place in Hulu Sungai Selatan Regency with data collection technique using observation, interview, and literature studies. As for the data analysis technique, it is carried using data reduction, the presentation of data, and the conclusion. For the next is result and discussion. First, civic culture. In culture Mawarung Banjar people use three aspects. A. Education. First, the Mawarung culture is used as a means to communicate and exchange information between fellow buyers or sellers. Second, the acquisition of new knowledge or information can open people's minds to insights that are up to date and make society more critical in thinking and responding to something that happened in its environment. Third, the culture of Mawarung was used as a legal communication forum. Fourth, the culture of Mawarung is a socialization forum. Fifth, the culture of Mawarung is also used as a means of absorbing the aspiration of the people. B. Economic. First, the driving wheels of the community economy are because the existing stalls have been run for quite a long time and are passed down between generations. Second, people's habit of using akad in buying and selling, which is considered an obligation between the two. C. Public welfare. The culture also has a positive impact on the well-being of the people live in Hulu Sungai Selatan, such as reduced poverty and unemployment. Second, civic culture indicator of Mawarung of Banjar people. A. Values are embodied in the culture of citizens. First, religious values. Second, equality values. The values of unity, people values, and the last is the value of mutual cooperation. B. Egalitarian equality. People live because harmonious because there are no barriers in the strata of society to interact with each other. C. Mutual trust and tolerance. Society, whether a seller or buyer, has mutual trust and tolerance economically. D. Cooperative life. The culture of Mawarung indirectly makes a sense of mutual help between communities grow. E. Solidarity. With the habit of gathering, chatting, and eating together at stall, the solidarity of the local people has become closer. The last is civic spirit. Most people go to the warung is done after the community has breakfast at home first. After that, the people went to the stall because people feel that something is missing if they don't go to the stall. This feeling is illustrated that the spirit of society in preserving the distinctive culture is very good. The conclusion is first, the analysis of city culture in the culture of Mawarung of Banjar society is reviewed in the three aspects, namely education, economy, and the welfare of the community. Second, indicator of civic culture of Mawarung culture in Banjar society. A. Values embodied in the culture of citizen. Mawarung culture has values contained in it, namely religion, equality, unity, peoplehood, and mutual aid. B. Egalitarian equality. C. Mutual trust or tolerance. D. A cooperative life. E. Solidarity. And the last is community spirit. This is reference I use. That's all for me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.